infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve. There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve. There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve. An infinite amount.
Good morning, Bitcoin. Today is Friday, January 15th, 2021. My name is Thomas Hunt, and this is the World Crypto Network. Our top stories today. Exclusive large Bitcoin payments to right-wing activists a month before Capitol riot linked to a foreign account. Biden's $1.9 trillion relief package proposal fails to stir the Bitcoin market. Man who binned hard drive storing $200 million in Bitcoin offers the local council 25% to search the landfill site. But first, the price of Bitcoin is down 9.44% in the last 24 hours. With a last of 36,120, a high of 39,988, and a low of 36,083. That's $1 for 2,770 Satoshis. Volume was at 11,784 Bitcoins changing hands, while the market continues to lean long with 94% of the market heading that direction. Bitcoin dominance was at 67%. Bitcoin price went from $4,000 to $42,000 a coin since March 27th, 2020, when they said this.
There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve.
Didn't have any confidence for anybody. There was an infinite amount. Exclusive Yahoo News, Jenna McLaughlin. Large Bitcoin payments to right-wing activists a month before the Capitol riot linked to a foreign account. On December 8th, someone made a simultaneous transfer of 28.15 Bitcoins, worth more than $500,000 at the time, to 22 different virtual wallets, most of them belonging to prominent right-wing organizations and personalities. Now, cryptocurrency researchers believe they have identified who made the transfer and suspect it was intended to bolster those far-right causes. U.S. law enforcement is investigating whether the donations were linked to the January 6th assault on the U.S. Capitol. While the motivation may be difficult to prove, the transfer came just a month before the violent riot in the Capitol, which took place after Trump invited supporters to walk down Pennsylvania Avenue and take back our country. According to one source familiar with the matter, the suspicious December 8th transaction, along with another number of other pieces of intelligence, has prompted law enforcement and intelligence agencies in recent days to actively investigate the sources of funding for individuals who participated in the Capitol insurrection, as well as their networks. The government is hoping to uncover and prevent future attacks, but also to uncover potential foreign involvement in support of right-wing activities, according to the source. Story developing. Biden's $1.9 trillion relief package proposal fails to stir the Bitcoin market. The U.S. dollar's rise on the news may be playing spoilsport to the Bitcoin bulls. Omkar Godbol writes in CoinDesk, Bitcoin's two-day rally has stalled as the U.S. dollar gains ground in the wake of Joe Biden's fiscal stimulus announcement. The U.S. president-elect proposed an emergency relief package worth $1.9 trillion around 0015 UTC time, when Bitcoin, down 9%, was changing hands near 39,600. At press time, the fledgling cryptocurrency was trading near 38,000. This pullback marks a weak follow-through to the two-day rise, which saw prices revisit the $40,000 resistance. The lack of a bullish response by the Bitcoin market is perhaps surprising, given that physical stimulus or monetary stimulus is inflationary, and Bitcoin is widely considered a store of value. Publicly listed companies such as MicroStrategy bought Bitcoin in the second half of 2020 to preserve the value of their treasury. The strength of the US dollar against foreign currencies could be playing spoilsport. The performance of USD on the dollar index has affected the cryptocurrency's price in the past, and the negative correlation between the two assets is strengthening. Man who binned hard drive storing $200 million in Bitcoin offers local council 25% to search landfill site. James Howells accidentally threw away the hardware in 2013, confusing it for an obsolete one. A man who claims he accidentally threw away a hard drive containing hundreds of millions of pounds in cryptocurrency has said he will give his local council 1/4 of the fortune if they let him dig it out of the landfill. James Howells, 35, said his old laptop's hard drive contained 7,500 Bitcoin, currently worth around 200 million pounds, but that it has been buried in a rubbish tip in Newport, South Wales, since 2013 after he confused the hard drive for an obsolete one. The IT worker told Wales Online that he has made several offers to the council to share the money and that he is now prepared to give more than 50 million pounds to benefit anyone who's struggling right now. Basically, what I'm saying to the Newport Council is, if you allow me to search in a specific area and I find it, I'm happy to give the people of Newport 25%. Mr. Howells began mining Bitcoin when they were first created in 2009, accruing thousands of them at a time when they were worth just pennies. Over time, the volatile cryptocurrency's value has increased, with prices peaking in January just under £30,000 for a single unit. Trading app may curb Bitcoin buying this weekend if the market goes wild. eToro warns clients that an unprecedented demand for crypto, coupled with limited liquidity, may present challenges for supporting orders. Retail investing platform eToro is fielding so much demand for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that it warned customers they may encounter possible limitations filling orders. The unprecedented demand for crypto, coupled with limited liquidity, presents challenges to our ability to support buy orders over the weekend, the company said in an email to customers. In light of this, it may be necessary for us to place limitations on crypto buy orders over the weekend. The notice underscores how platforms are struggling to manage the surging volatility in the crypto market as Bitcoin skyrocketed to an all-time high of more than $40,000 last week. The digital coin has since dropped to around $35,500, but investors' appetite for digital currencies is not waning. Unlike stocks, they trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and volume has surged on weekends when investors have more free time to play the market. This could be an interesting weekend for eToro. Checking out a couple of articles from @documenting Bitcoin. He says, CNN, Bitcoin plunges more than 20% in 3 days. It's now in a bear market. Then, just 3 days later, same newspaper, CNN, Bitcoin prices roar back towards $40,000. It's even the same guy writing the article. How could you not see it coming? And thanks to everyone for donating. The QR code disappeared. That's new. But thanks for donating to our fundraiser here at Tallycoin. We've raised around $73 towards our goal of $1,400 to get a new laptop for Mad Bitcoin. So thanks so much for your support. Be sure to subscribe down below. Give us a thumbs up. It's really important to give thumbs up to YouTube videos that are good. I hope you'll give us a thumbs up and 4 or 5 other videos a thumbs up because it's free. We're over 10 minutes. That's about it for this show. Thanks so much for joining us. Until next time, Bye-bye.